see you today. Yeah, look, I'm not I'm not getting shorter. We're talking about sunroofs and sunroof drains. This time of year, it's really important, okay? A lot of rain, wind, snow, sleet, trees coming down, twigs, leaves, and all that stuff gets into the sunroof drain area. And I just want to talk about sunroofs a little bit with you today. Keep in mind, a sunroof is a calculated water leak. It is. I can prove it to you. If a sunroof wasn't designed to leak water, why do they put drains in them? And they do. Every sunroof has a drain. Here's how you're going to test to see if it works. You need a cup. I've got it filled with water. You're going to pinch it shut. You see this hole right here? And you see how it's coming out down on the ground? That shows you that the drain is clear. All right? That means we've got good flow. And you will sit and listen. And if you listen to it, you'll see the drain go down quickly. And you will hear the gurgle, which means it's got good suction. All right? Now, every once in a while, all right, and Danny's on the camera again. All right, you're going to use one of these. These are available on Amazon. It's just like a chimney sweep, right? It's just a small brush that you put down the drain hole and work it through, and it will help clear out the drain. And this is simple stuff, okay? I think the brushes, I think you can buy a set of these on Amazon for under 20 bucks. All right, you do this once a year. You'll ensure that you've got good flow out of the drains. This particular car has 2 in the front, none in the back. Some have them in every corner. You've got to look and see, but you can test them using the water in the cup. Pinch the cup to a point like I showed you, right? Run the brush through just to make sure it's got good cleanliness to it. There's no obstruction, and you're good to go. If you don't, you're going to be the guy that calls me and says, hey, Ron, I got a bill for $3,000 on my Audi because the sunroof drain was clogged and all the water backed up and it flooded the inside of the car. And I've gotten a few of those. I've seen clogged sunroof drains cause $8,000 in water damage. So keeping your drains clear means that you and your car will both stay dry on the inside where you're supposed to. I'm Ron Ananian, the Car Doctor. I'll see you guys on radio.
Need Ron stuff? Well, you can get t-shirts, hats, mugs, sweatshirts, and more at cardoctorshow.com.
Did you miss this week's full broadcast of Ron Ananian, the Car Doctor? Or maybe you want to hear certain parts of it all over again. Well, it's easy to do. Once the show airs, it then becomes a podcast. You can find it through all major podcast players and media: iHeartMedia, Google, Amazon Music, Spotify, and so much more. Use your favorite search engine and ask for Ron Ananian Podcast. Watch what happens next. Need more Ron? That's okay. Look for Ron Ananian, available via podcast, wherever podcasts are found.